Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today, Jack and I are going to be decorating for Easter. I just cannot believe it is time already. And I say this with every single decorating video, I know, but it just gets quicker and quicker every single year. But I will say in the past year, I have accumulated so many Easter things just by thrifting, and I've found like some cute garlands that I want to put up. They just have so many cute Easter things out at all the stores, and I try to just thrift everything because it's so much better. I did thrift some more plush bunnies, and I have a whole tote of Easter decor and a huge bag of Easter stuff. So I have a lot this year, and I got rid of some old stuff and just replaced it with things that I enjoyed a little bit more. So I'm gonna try to condense it and keep it, to where I can fit it in all of my storage area in my garage, which hasn't really been a problem, but I just have to make sure to maintain that because it does take a lot of work. I have to take it from the upstairs of my garage, and so yeah, it can get very heavy after a while. Anyways, so I am just gonna take you guys with me, and I'm gonna do, I guess, kind of like a light cleaning. I'll be cleaning the dining room table, just the typical videos that I usually upload if you watch them, and I'll do like the couches. I just steam cleaned the couch not too long ago, so I don't have to do that today. But I think the kitchen needs to be cleaned up a little bit more, and I'm gonna add some decor in there as well, and my little coffee bar. And yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all with me, and I'll just clean what I need to today. So let's go ahead and get started.